you ever just get that eerie feeling like something's gonna happen today? The full moon has been out for a few days now, I feel like. Maybe not, but I've definitely noticed it the last couple of days. And it's just kind of showing that Halloween is on its way. So we have a lot to get done today, per usual, just regular chores and everything. Gonna pick up a few groceries. We just need some fresh fruits and veggies to help get us through. We're really struggling with this eating out of the pantry and freezer for freshness. But then we're going to also try our pepper jelly that we made yesterday. And then we're going to try it we're just going to try it with some cream cheese and crackers this morning. Then this evening, I'm going to make it with a pork loin and see how that turns out. Trying to find some ways besides just snacking to use it and to see if this was a win. Maybe I should have tried it before going to the grocery store so I can get some more stuff to make some more if it turns out good. But we will see y'all in the kitchen in a little bit. So we're going to get dinner going. It's a very easy dinner tonight. We're using the help of Sam's with their barbecue baked beans and their macaroni and cheese. If y'all haven't had these yet, I'm telling you, these are amazing. They're a little bit pricey. They're $8 for just this little container, but this is 2 meals for us, or 2 side dishes for the meals for us. And for things like this, it helps. Because y'all know we got karate tonight and we need something easy. And I've been working outside all day, so need to get, well, almost all day. So we need to get dinner going. So I just have a pork loin here. This is 1.7 pounds, so almost 2 pounds. It's like 1 3/4. But I have my baking dish right here because I'm going to use my convection oven and it will spin and cook it a lot more evenly. So that's the only reason for this. You can put it on the pan, whatever you need. But I'm just going to bring it and lay it down into the pan. In here I have 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of pepper. And I'm going to make a little rub to go on top of this. I have my oven preheating at 375, and this is going to take about 45 minutes to an hour to cook in there all the way. So I'm just going to sprinkle this over and rub it in. Now y'all know we're using our pepper jelly on this tonight. That's the whole point of why I wanted to do a pork loin for tonight, so I can really play with this pepper jelly and see how it's going to taste. But I'm going to put fat side up. I'll check on it at about the 40-minute mark and see how it's doing. And we'll kind of decide from there if we want to cook it a little bit longer or go ahead and add in the pepper jelly at that point. But we'll also be having a salad. Y'all know that we went to the grocery store and got some extras, like some tomatoes, some avocados and stuff, because we don't have that kind of stuff in our garden. But we do have our beautiful romaine that I'm so happy and so proud of. So I'll show y'all a picture of Thatcher too, how proud he was to help pick all of the lettuce from our garden. But in the oven this goes, and I'll see y'all back in just a little bit. Alright y'all, so the pork loin is out of the oven. I did let it rest for about 10 minutes, but we're going to slice into it and taste test and see how it is. It looks really good. Just making sure. And the reason we let it rest for a few minutes is so that it doesn't, we might have to cook it a little bit longer. Alright, so let's taste test an end part. And I'll put it in for a little bit longer. But I wanted to see how it tastes. And you always want to let it rest so that those juices stay inside. It's very tender. So let's see. I mostly want to see how the flavor is with this chili powder and all of the jelly. That's yummy. surprisingly, it all works together. That cumin and chili powder really work well with the pepper jelly. I think we could have lessened the crust a little bit, even so, which this is an end piece also. So some of the inside pieces might not be quite as seasoning heavy, but this is good. And so tender. We do need to pop it back in for just a little bit longer. Alright y'all, so everything's all done. There's our Sam's sides to help speed up the dinner process. A little salad and our pork loin. Look how yummy. Super tender, super yummy. Just a little bit left over, so someone might have seconds, or maybe like a little pork loin sandwich for tomorrow. We shall see. But we're going to eat dinner, head off to karate, and then come back and enjoy our evening. Thank y'all for joining us.